India have never had a medal at the World Championships. Of course, he's got the Olympic gold. Would love to add World Championship gold here. Oh, Neeraj Chopra really liked that. He looked brilliant in qualification. And that is another great throw from the Indian athlete. It was a foul in the first round. Silver last time round for Chopra. Can he upgrade that to gold? It is just wonderful to see three Indian men here in the final. Of course, they would have been inspired by Chopra and his exploits. Chopra, who has been dealing
excitement watching Chopra in India. Bobby George got a bronze for them in the long jump back in Paris. He got the silver last year. No Indian man or woman has taken a gold.